Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a special collaboration, and it's a kitchen declutter challenge, and that's hosted by at Penny's Place. So now the co-host of this collab is Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody cleans and declutters their kitchen. So as you can see here, I chose to declutter this last kitchen drawer, and yeah, it's a hot mess. So let's jump into it, guys. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. I hope you liked the video. I hope you stay and subscribe. And for all of you faithful ones that have always watched my channel, have always supported me all the way along, thank you so much. I so appreciate you. Thank you for your support. Now remember that subscribing to the channel is totally free. It also notifies you if you click that bell every time I upload a video. So it's just a reminder, and it doesn't cost anything. Now I sit here and I think to myself, okay, I really just don't want to do this, but honestly, you do get satisfaction at the end of it, so you may as well do it with a happy attitude. Okay, I'm just having fun right now. So how many of you notice that if you're not throwing things out or getting rid of them, you're just reorganizing it and moving it somewhere else? Who can I get an amen? take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for this collaboration. Okay, so now we are done organizing this stuff. We're placing it in the drawers and moving on to the next step. Remember that every time you click that like button, you help YouTube to notice us just a little bit more as we grow. Also, comment below because we would love to hear from you. Okay, so I am loving how this drawer came out. Let's see how long it stays this way. So I do hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.